Well, here we go. It is the moment of truth. She'll prove that she's cold. There you go. She's cold. It's definitely going to be a cold start. So, she's going to go. She's choked, primed. Carb is full. Oh. She fired. Starter is not likely having that missing. Oh man, I'm just not getting good enough. We're going to stop the video there and go to a rope start. Okay, we've gone for rope start now. Guess the missing bolt for the starter, it's not liking that at all. It's on trying. So far that's all she's doing is trying. So try turning up the idle a little bit. Let's see what that does. Oh, the missing bolt means that rest assured it never used to make that knocking noise. So I don't know what the hell's going on. It's definitely fully tight. I don't know. It never used to make that noise. Ah, but the compression is so good. Oh well. It never used to make that knocking noise, but what can you do? Okay, well you may remember that the Suffolk was knocking. Well, I should give her a little bit of a rev now. Oh, run out of fuel. But she doesn't knock. It's not the engine that was making the knocking sounds. It was just vibrating a little bit there. She's obviously secured on the neck because this clutch on this other Suffolk that I've got isn't as big. So it is knocking either something on the Shrouding or it's something on this. I'm stumped. I'm really not sure what it could be, to be honest. But I do now know that it is not the engine that's making those horrible sounds. And it's not really smoking that much anymore either, so it's already running a lot better. So I'm really stumped now as to what's going on here that's catching. I can't... Something there looks like it could have been rubbed. Some chips there, but I can't see anything that's drastically looks like it was smacking things. So I really don't know. I ain't got the foggiest idea, but I now know it's not really the engine. That's awesome.